Hi guys, welcome back to Game Time. Today we're opening this. Let's get started. Okay. This is actually Air Vac Steel Thrash. Stretch, pose, hold in place. Okay. Pump out air, stretch. Also available, Air Vac blaze again. It's crazy, guys. Okay. It says it's shiny. It's crazy. Okay, look, let's read. With its new Air Vac Steel Thrash can battle like never seen before. Wow. But he's not the only one. Orba talks. It's time for a vac attack. What attack? Who will rule the galaxy? I think it's Thrash. Because this one's bad guy. Look, this galaxy isn't big enough for two of us. Okay, now let's open it. Oh, that's a good sound. This is a good sound. Let's open it. Guys, this is real. Let me show you guys that it's real. Ready? Whoa, let's see let's stretch him. What? Whoa, guys. Let's pump him. Let's squeeze him first. Whoa, look guys. Oh, there's beans in him. Now let's pump him. It got harder. Let's do it. Look, guys. I read a star. I read I'm gonna pump some more. Here we go. I'm gonna stretch it and then pump it. Here we go. My mom's gonna help me with the pump, and I'm gonna stretch it. Look, you guys. They got taller. Now let's release it. Now it's released again. Now. It was like that. Oh, that's crazy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye. I'm not saying bye yet. I'm joking. Well, I'm going to rate it first. I'm going to rate it a 5 out of 5. Because this one said it's the second best Goo Jit in the world. Like, literally, it said that. So, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video we made. See you next time in Game Time.